Many times we have the energy blockage, we don't know, and we do not do enough to help to transform that energy. A lot of chronic problems like heart problem, diabetes, high blood pressure, and cancer happens. That's because of these energy blockages going already deep into the bone, into the bone marrow. So now you need to invite these energy blockages to transform. If you do have energy blockages in your body, you can help yourself to unlock that energy blockages in time so that the blockages won't stay in your body and deeper and deeper and causing even more chronic problems. When we do Qigong practice, we need to move our hands, our body slowly and gently. And the slow movements can help you to activate the intelligence of Qi in your body to help you to clear energy blockages from the root level, from the cellular level. When you move your hands and body slowly, your muscles slowly, and you are able to help you to invite the chronic blockages which have been going so deep, staying so deep within you, causing the blockages and challenges from the cellular level. Now, generally speaking, illnesses develops in this way. First of all, it is on the surface of the skin. If you do something to help to invite that energy blockages to transform, and that energy blockage doesn't have a chance to go deeper. But many times we have the energy blockage, we don't know, and we do not do enough to help to transform that energy. So this energy blockage goes deeper into the muscle. And then it continues to grow and goes into the bone and even the bone marrow. That will become strong and serious chronic problems. A lot of chronic problems like heart problem, diabetes, and high blood pressure, and cancer happens. That's because of these energy blockages going already deep into the bone and into the bone marrow. So now you need to invite these energy blockages to transform. So that's why we need to do the slow movements. Fast movements can't do it. Now, fast movements only can help you to strengthen the muscles, but it doesn't invite the intelligence of the Qi to help you, and it doesn't have that energy to help you to clear the energy blockages in the cellular level. So that's why we do Qigong practice every day. Today we're going to do the first movement of the 5 elements healing movement and moving of yin and yang. So let's get to it. Park your feet about your shoulder width. Now close your eyes, focus on your lower dantian, which is deep in behind the navel. And take 3 gentle deep breaths. Inhale, visualizing the universal love and light coming in through the skin, running through all the gaps of cells and organs, and then collects in your lower dantian. When you exhale, visualize just light shooting out from your lower dantian through the skin to the ends of the universe. Now, take 30 seconds to tell the universe what you want. What is the purpose for you to do this meditation together with me? You can say, through this meditation, Qigong meditation and practice, I'm going to open up all the energy channels in my body. All the aches and pains in my body will be gone, and I'll be completely healed. Then you say the Spring Forest Qigong practice password. I am in the universe. The universe is in my body. The universe and I combine together. Then you take a moment to feel that your body and the universe merging together as one. When your body and the universe are merging together as one, how that feels to you. Now bring yourself way back to the beginning of the universe and feel how that energy feels to you. Fingers slightly open. Put your tongue against the roof of the mouth. If that's possible, close your lips. And now slowly, you raise your hands up. Right hand facing your upper chest. Left hand facing your belly button. Visualize at this moment that you are holding a column of light inside your torso, starting from the bottom of the torso up to the top. Take a moment to feel that column of light. Do you feel the tingly sensation in your hands, fingers? Now bend your knees a little. Then you start moving your hands. Right hand moves out and down. Left hand moves in and out. Down to the bladder level and up to the forehead level. And then left hand moves out and down. Right hand moves in and out. Move your hands slowly and feel the energy. You use your elbows to guide the movement. And use your hands and fingers to feel the qi. Visualize at this moment, you are facing the ocean, so peaceful. The ocean is so calm. It's so sunny. And you can breathe the happy breath from the universe, from the ocean. The fresh air is coming in through your skin, through your nose, running through your entire body, and collects in your lower dantian. And you feel so happy that you are having this opportunity to do Qigong meditation together with me and with so many Spring Forest Qigong students. And we are all together creating this Qi field among us. We are all putting our love and Qi together to allow everyone to share. Feel the happiness energy in your liver. Feel that happiness energy running through your heart, your lungs. Feel how happy your intestines, small intestines, large intestines, kidneys, and all other tissues and organs are. Feel the happiness going to your joints, your elbows, your hands, your legs, your knees. Allow this happiness energy from the universe and from within to help you with any levels of cleansing, opening, and transforming. Feel how good you feel, how wonderful you feel. Make sure your stretched fingers are a little bit open. If you feel any itchy sensation or any sensation in the body, that means the channels are opening up in that particular part of the body, and the energy blockages are being transformed. Now we are coming to the end of this movement. Slowly put your hands down, both hands facing your belly button. For men, left hand inside. For women, right hand inside. There's a little space in between your hands and the body. And take a deep breath. And slowly straighten up your knees. Put your hands down. Open your eyes and rub your hands together. And massage your face. Now cover your head. Massage your ears. On purpose, you pull your earlobes down for a second. That's the best. Okay, so now cover your arms and the left one first, inside, outside, inside. Back of the arm. One more time. The right arm. Inside. The back. Side. And the back. One more time. Okay, the torso. On the arm, the left one, from the armpit down to the end of the rib cage. The other side. Okay, integrate your fingers together and massage your stomach. This is called harvesting the qi. After your practice, you'll collect a lot of the qi from the universe and wake up the intelligence of the qi inside you. Now you harvest it and put it into a better use.